Girls can't never say they want it. Girls can't never say they need it. Girls can't never say they want it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is tonibryanne and my channel is all about beauty, fashion, and discovery. And if you guys want to see more content from me, please go ahead and click that subscribe button right now down below. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my wigs. This video is going to be sponsored by Jaja Hair. Jaja Hair is a wonderful website. They also have an Amazon account where you can purchase luxury human hair that looks bomb and fluffy. One thing I absolutely love about Jaja Hair is that the hair is so soft. There is barely any shedding. It is wonderful hair. So if you guys want to check out Jaja Hair, I'm going to link them down below. The hair comes in the cutest packaging and it comes very quickly. If you have Amazon Prime, the hair could come to you within 2 days. And if you don't have Amazon Prime, it's going to be here within a week or less than a week. So you guys have a very good deal either way. The packaging of Jaja Hair comes like this in this geometric shaped box. I thought it was so cute and it is amazing. With the hair comes a wig cap, which is always a nice little gesture to add in, and a little comp card with all the information on it. And the hair is tucked in very well and well kept. So without further ado, we are going to get straight into this video. I'm not going to keep blabbering on because y'all know I could go forever. So let's just get straight into this video. Okay guys, so before this video starts, I just want to strongly say that my voice is gone right now because I just got over a cold and my voice is still recovering. It'll probably be back by tomorrow, but I need to get this video up. So first thing I'm starting with is putting on a wig cap, and I want it to be close to my eyebrows because I'm going to be trying the bald cap method. Now I just want to let y'all know in advance it did not go as planned because this is my first time trying the bald cap method, but yeah, I need to keep practicing. But now I'm just going to be taking the Scott's Blue glue spray and I'm going to be spraying it on the edges portion of the wig cap, and then I'm going to be using a blow dryer to dry it to make sure that the glue is tacky and that it is stuck to my head. And I also have a process on how I do my how I basically secure my hair underneath without braiding because I don't know how to braid. If you guys want a video on that, I will show you guys. This isn't like the best way I've done it before. Like I've done it way better before. I was just kind of rushing my hair in this video, but I could definitely do a video. So now what I'm doing is I'm cutting the ear portion of the wig cap, and that's just basically for it to circle around my head. But like I said, it kind of failed because the back of my hair was showing quite a lot, but it didn't really affect the wig because my hair was blow dried and it was flat anyway, but my hair was definitely out, as you guys are seeing now. And yeah, that was kind of annoying, but I'm now just cutting excess of the wig cap that I don't need because I didn't want my wig to be that far down on my forehead. I wanted it to be lifted up just a little bit, but yeah, I'm just cutting off the excess wig cap. So after cutting off the excess wig cap, I needed to use my Got2b glue spray again just to fix any portion of the hair of the wig cap that just wasn't flat anymore because I cut it. And then I'm going to use the blow dryer again, the same exact method. So now I'm going to be using my foundation and I'm going to be using a sponge. I'm just going to basically be putting that on the hair so that it blends a little bit better. Once again, this was kind of like a fail, but I tried my best to do the bald wig cap. I normally just do like regular wig caps, and I probably will continue doing that until I perfect the bald wig cap method, but it wasn't horrible. I tried though. So now I'm putting on the wig, and my camera died while I was doing this, so you guys did not see me gluing the wig down, but I basically just used my Got2b glue spray, doing the same exact process I did with the wig cap and the blow dry and all that stuff, and I sprayed it down. And then I put the hair down and it glued on. So right now I'm just trying to see where I want the wig to be. The one thing I will say about this wig, the hair is beautiful. It's so soft and fluffy, but the parting was really bad. Like it was too close, so I did definitely have to pluck it. And after plucking it, it was perfect. And that's the best thing that I could say. Well, the worst thing, excuse me, I could say about the wig was just the parting was just not good. So yeah, you just need to pluck, and once you pluck, it's perfect. Now I'm cutting off the lace. I have the wig where I want it to be, and it looks great. And like I said, the camera died, so y'all didn't see me like glue the wig down completely, but the wig was definitely glued down with the Got2b glue. So now I'm going to be clipping back my hair, and I'm going to be starting with the baby hairs. And I ended up giving myself a side part, which was also off camera because my SD card was running out of space. It was just bad. Like everything was just not being captured on camera, but it is what it is. I just didn't like how the middle part was looking, so I decided to do a side part instead. So y'all are just gonna be seeing me maneuver with the edges and kind of seeing where I want it to go and how I want it to be. And the one tip I could give about like doing your edges is definitely like cut as you go. Like don't cut too short, because it might like really affect like the edges that you want to look. Like here, like I cut way too short. And just kind of like play around with it and see what you like. Like I'm still learning with the edges as well. Like I said, I'm just starting to get into the wig game, so like that's like the best advice I could give to you guys, is just kind of like cut as you go and you try like laying your hair down. And yes, girl, as y'all can see, it looks bomb. This hair was so good. Like if you guys want to see more pictures and videos, you guys of this hair, you guys could look at my Instagram page, and you guys could also look at my last YouTube video. Now I'm going to be using my concealer just to make the part look more realistic. I did pluck the part a little bit. You guys could kind of tell actually. But yeah, the hair came out really good. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Shop at Jaja Hair, and I will see you all in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.